Welcome to Bamba, where the only shade is printed on the cafe menu. Named after a Bamba tree, now the trees are nowhere near. Bambalapitiya is the wannabe cousin, conquering all your fear. Cleaner than slave island, dirtier than your conscience's shame. Half residential, half commercial, confusing is the game. Duplication Road still slices through, the chaos has its twin. You can order a latte outside while the diesel pours right in. Marine Drive was the shady spot for the weed and cheap massage. Now it's a canyon of condos, fulfilling the luxury mirage. That train along the coastline screams every 20 minutes fast in Bamba. Even your Zoom calls have railway percussion that will last. The train is the soundtrack, the endless rhythmic drum, the symphony of survival, till the construction drill becomes numb. Developers call it oceanfront, residents call it ear damage. The Bamba skyline's a Lego set for the financially anxious image. Majestic city symphony, where love stories were born. Between an elevator and a pirated DVD shop until the break of morn. Majestic city taught you capitalism before you finished school. Unity Plaza still runs on fumes, ignoring every rule. Every Sri Lankan engineer was born in motherboard fumes so deep. The train screams constantly while you try hard to sleep. Apartments watching apartments, the ocean long forgot. No sea view, just train view, a life we dearly bought. The condos pop like mushrooms, each one promising a breeze, delivering the train noise and a hefty set of fees. Barefoot cafe glows brightly with linen and rainbow walls, exports pretending to be minimalists, answering nature's calls. Unity Plaza still opens up its gates, the tech graveyard survives, where we fixed our first Nokia, saving our laptops' lives. Bambalapitiya, Colombo4's cousin, who bought the same clothes cheaper, lives closer to the railway and calls it a lifestyle keeper. The nostalgia is the key for those cheap ice cream dates. The seaside romance is buried now under the dusty gates. The endless noise, the cables, the heat and apartment dust, but we pretend it's paradise, powered by pure financial. Majestic city symphony, where love stories were born. Between an elevator and a pirated DVD shop until the break taught you capitalism before you finished school. Unity Plaza still runs on fumes, ignoring every rule. Every Sri Lankan engineer was born in motherboard fumes so deep. The train screams constantly while you try hard to sleep. Don't forget to inhale the diesel with your latte.